Okay. Anong message ko? Ano lang, I hope you know na you're important to us na. Simula lang nag-buo yung lighthouse natin. So, we treasure you, kaya gusto ko rin namin na parang celebrate yun. Yes. Ano ka na? Permanent fixtures na tayo sa buhay ng isa't isa. Yun lang, yun yung message ko.
Yeah.
Thank you. May isa pa. Dapat sabihin mo bakit.
Sige. Pwede naman po.
Okay.
Yan. So, kaya ako kumuha ng cushion kasi feeling ko at this stage, medyo syempre may discomfort.
Yeah.
Or I'm not sure kasi never ko pa na. I can only assume na syempre may discomfort, so I bought the cushion. At gusto ko komportable ka habang may ininom ka. Tubig! Pero hand-painted daw siya, so it's either nauto ako ni ate or malamang, baka naman. Yan lang. Welcome!
Hindi lang ako makakakot pati yung baby.
Yes. Yes.
Definitely.
Si Drea.
Sasabihin ko happy birthday, Rach. Congrats, Rach. Alam mo naman na sobrang blessed kami na naging part ka ng lighthouse ng family namin. And alam mo naman kasi di ba sa Australia parang sobrang hard makafind ng cushions. Na lalo na yung together yung faith niyo. I mean, same faith niyo, di ba? Pero talagang ang plan ng Lord is mabuti.
Yeah.
Kaya alam ko na hindi ito accident na nag-gather na tayo. Kaya we are so blessed to have you and love. Ay, yung game ko is parang hati kayo ni Dwayne. Ano for Kenny, hati lang.
Yes. Pero nga.
Talaga na pwede ni Damian.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Message. Same lang naman din sa blessed na nakilala ka namin. And super happy kami kasi as someone na hindi na naghahanap ng friends kasi pagod ako makapag-usap. Masaya ako naging addition kayo sa friends mga friends ko kasi sobrang same energy. And wala na, parang masasakyan natin yung trip na isa't isa. So yeah, just so happy na nalala ko kayo. Yes. Wala siyang wala siyang masyadong masyadong mili. Pero parang feeling ko kami sa'yo. Picture.
Congratulations! Katulad din ng mga sinabi nila, we are so blessed. I'm so blessed na nakilala ko kayo ni Ron. Family niyo. Naniniwala ko nga na may purpose yung Lord kung bakit pinag-connect tayo. Parang hindi naman siya pinlano, pero part siya ng plano ng Lord. At hindi niyo lang alam yung nabibigay yung energy sa amin kung hindi pa kayo. And yung gift ko, nasisymbolize siya kasi tinatawag siya sa Pilipino na pagmahal. You being part of our family and part of our home. I hope na marami kang ma-remind mo. Ano siya nag-open? Iyan na sana ako. Tapos yung isang may additional siya.
Picture kayo muna.
Ano din ang?
Ay, sorry. Kasi ko, hindi mo na kailangan i-open. Maganda. Para sa anim mo. Ano lang, ang message ko sa'yo, ever since na nakilala kita, nakasama ko sa Lighthouse sa Yeshua,
talagang iba yung talagang family na din. Kaya nagpapasalamat din ako sa Biak ng talaga pinagtagpo-tagpo tayo ni Lord. Yun yung plano ni Lord. Much.
My gift is for the couple. For the lovely couple. For their, when they start their marriage, ganyan. Pwede mo pang honeymoon. But anyway, my message for you is, siguro if you think si Ron, feel na mahal mo siya, di ba? Siyempre naman. But after marriage, you will realize na mas mamahalin mo pa siya. There's no greater love. Parang iba yung feeling eh. Once you're married, parang, nakakala imposible, pero mas lalo pa pala yung tao once you're married. Iba talaga yung feeling. So I'm glad that you made this decision and I'm happy for you. Happy din ako na you came to our church, so I believe it's not an accident. And I'm thankful din ako sa mga leaders natin that they have made you more open sa walk mo different Jesus. Yeah, see you around.
Explain mo nga.
Yeah. Para yung sa common. Pwede pa kayo. Yan siya. Hindi ko pa alam. Tawat-tawat ko.
Oo nga, yan.
Lahat ng mga heroes. OMG! Oy, ganyan ang tinisip mo! OMG! Kailangan isang tira niya. Ang nasumikat na ng t-shirt nila. Ano ba? Wow!
Lakas ko na.
Picture.
Hindi ate, hindi ba minuto? 1, 2, 3. Cute! Cute! Hindi naman na yan.
Hindi ko pasok nila yan. Gamitin ko.
Ano yan?
Guys, nakalagay dyan. What to do, what to eat, what to do after that, and sex. Isip, let the dice decide.
Ako, sharing mo yung mga ganyan sa kanya.
Tatanong ako sa bahay kasi pwede ka na lang kita.
Yes.
So, pwede lang na gamitin niya. Pwede ka na lang sa dalawa. Kasi ito na lang, lagay na lang sa hair mo. Okay lang. Kasi ate, gusto mo na gamitin. Ano pa mga, kasi parang third time lang ako kayo. Third time lang to. Kasi yung mga 8 girls. Kagaya na sinabi kita lahat, may plan si Lord bakit tayo nagkakaroon. Ako, sabi ko sa English dalawa ni Ron, I think he made the best and the right decision na mag-say yes kay Jesus. Kasi it may sound cliche, but the Lord will be the most important aspect ng married life na sa ano na. Kasi marami, sabi ni si Kate kanina, yung possible lang yung greater love kasi Jesus is in the middle. So, getting married is like, fun, especially kapag tama talaga yung gano'n. Pero magiging tama siya kasi kasama ko si Lord.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mag-pray na tayo. Tsaka enjoy nyo lang. Kasi yung husband and wife lang, parang besties 24/7.
That's true.
Kasi kung wala yung gusto.
Sabi na ako eh.
Yung pagiging sweet mo, yung ngiti mo, yun yung nakakaano ng the person mo. Like, every time na makikita ka talaga ka nakangiti. So, yeah, you're such a blessing kay mo. And also, you will be blessed more kasi nga, kung yung marriage, kung nasa gitna niyo si Lord, mas maganda ang magiging tao. Kaya, face and see that the Lord is true. Yes, I'm also dressing. Kaya, the more na yung pagpapalagi ko kasama mo, kaya you don't neglect me. That's it all. That's why I'm so happy for you.
Parang yung mga, may gumagano ako sa side.
Kasi ito, nandito na. Ito yung nagpapaalala. Lagi kasi, may hug kasi lagi sila. At pare-pareho kami. Tapos, a beautiful woman. Yan. Kasi tayo,
Pang maya.
shower agad pala.
All someday.
Mamali yata ako na nakalaki. Right now, shower.
Ano may celebrity? Mami!
Shower.
Hindi ko natanggap yung ano.
May pumula no?
Ang kukulsam naman. Oo. What happens in Wilberforce? What happens in Wilberforce stays in Wilberforce. Ay, maya ka rin mo ito, ha?
Ika-cut natin yung ate.
Sis, binuksan mo na yung gate. Kasi, kaya ay ako, naisip ko yung gift niya. Yung sa sige, buksan mo na! Hindi mo muna yun. Wala, o yan. Ano yan? Ano, wala lang. Perfume lang. Tsaka lotion.
Ano pag-gamot, di ba? Gamitin niya yung sa
Then, yan kasi puro baka naisip ko baka puro damit ang ibibigay or something like that. And naisip ko, yun lang ako talaga may gagawin. Ano lang nag-gets?
Wala nang iba.
Hindi na lang gets.
Kaya ako kandila ako, wala nang iba. Sabi ko sa inyo, what happened in Wilberforce? Leader to, ha? Tinay-announcer mo. Anyway, I'm really blessed talaga sa inyo dalawa mag-asawa. And you know that, kahit na more than words can say talaga, sobrang blessed kami. Siguro more than the decision that you've made and the family and the friendship, no? Siguro sa akin, talagang what I would recommend really is you talagang surround yourself with people talaga that who will guide you through sa marriage, sa inyong pagsasama. Parang importante kasi yun. Kasi it's a journey. Ang marriage kasi is effort talaga siya, kumbaga parang commitment. And as you grow together sa family, maan nyo din, kumbaga parang yung calling nyo sa Panginoon, everything will also work. So, ang panalangin ko is yung patuloy kayong mag-grow sa Panginoon bilang isang mag-asawa. And that you will find your purpose bilang isang mag-asawa. Because anyone who has been united by Christ, there's a greater purpose for that. Marriage is a greater purpose, and gagamitin kayo ng word for a greater purpose. Picture. 1, 2, 3. Yay! O yan na, what happens in the Wilberforce stays in the
My love was as cruel as the cities I lived in. Everyone looked worse in the light. There are so many lines that I've crossed unforgiven. I'll tell you the truth, but never goodbye. I don't wanna look at anything else now that I saw you. I don't wanna think of anything else now that I thought of you. I've been sleeping so long in a 20-year dark night, and now I see daylight. I only see daylight. Luck of the draw, only draw. this town. Threw out our cloaks and our daggers because it's morning now. It's brighter now. Now I don't wanna look at anything else now that I saw you. I can never look away. I don't wanna think of anything else now that I thought of you. Things will never be the same. I've been sleeping so long in a 20-year dark night. Now I'm wide awake. And now I see daylight. Daylight. I only see daylight. Daylight. I only see daylight. 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 I only see daylight. 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 And I can still see it all. All of you, all of me. I once believed love would be, but it's golden. And I can still see it all. Back and forth from New York. I once believed love would be, but it's golden. Like daylight, like daylight, daylight. I don't wanna look at anything else now that I saw you. I can never look away. And I don't wanna think of anything else now that I thought of you. Things will never be the same. I've been sleeping so long in a 20-year dark night. And now I see daylight. I only see daylight. I only see daylight, 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 daylight. Like daylight is golden. Like daylight, you gotta step into the daylight and let it go. Just let it go. Let it go.
I want to be defined by the things that I love, not the things I hate, not the things I'm afraid of, the things that haunt me in the middle of the night.